Today I'm going to be doing a painting of this beautiful old barn, mostly in overcast light. If you want to see this full video that's not time-lapsed with commentary that I've done on location with some explanation of my process, check out the link below and become a Patreon member, $5 a month. I post usually about twice a month. So with this painting, I typically start with the darks with blocking them in. This is overcast light. Had a little bit of a challenge with this one, and the sun comes out once in a while, but overall the light did hold nice and steady here. Sometimes these old barns can look better under overcast light. You can see I use some nice drips there with the with mineral spirits, but what happens is with overcast light, it allows you to focus a little bit more on the texture and local color without as much interference from the bright contrast of light and shadow that you get with the sun. And this is just a process of layering things on and building up the color slowly. The nice thing about painting in overcast light is to lighten the values, a lot of times you just have to add white to the color. You don't have to mess around with warming the values as you lighten them using yellows and oranges and things like that. Richard Schmid talked about that in Alla Prima. And when I first started doing plein air painting, I actually preferred overcast. I remember when I would go out and if the sun came out, I'd be pretty disappointed. I'm more the opposite way now. Nowadays, I prefer to usually paint in sunlight. However, a subject like this, as I indicated before, it can look really nice under overcast. So you can see I changed some of the architectural details. I put that window in over on the right that wasn't there before. And when you're out painting, don't be afraid to do that, to move things around a little bit and change things to make the painting more interesting. Most of the time when I'm out plein air painting, I'm going more just for capturing color and value, the things that a camera does not give you. However, there are times where if I feel comfortable and if I have the time, I will take the painting to another level to add some more interesting composition. Once again, though, that's not the primary objective, and when you're out plein air painting, that shouldn't be your primary objective either. It's really more note-taking, more than trying to impress, trying to come up with an impressive painting. And here I break out the fan brush. I've become more of a fan brush fan lately. Found them very versatile. Now here is where the sun starts to peek out a little bit. You can see that that does present a little bit of a challenge. When that happens, you usually just want to stay the course and not chase the light. It can be really helpful to keep an eye on what's going on above you in the sky and see, you know, if your sky conditions are going to change on a more permanent basis. So here the sun stays out for quite a while, but I already had the painting mostly, you know, all my colors pretty well established and blocked in. So that does allow me to continue to work a little more securely from memory. So once again, if you want to see this painting at its normal speed, non-time-lapsed, with the commentary that I made on location, check out the link below, become a Patreon member. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and we will see you again.